Hello and welcome to this Little Fox French key skill video on how to form the present tense for RE verbs. We're going to use the verb attendre and we have our stem here. We cross off the RE and we add our endings. So we now have attendre with no endings. We need to add our endings. So we need our pronouns, and remember, if you don't know how to form pronouns in French, check out our key skill video on that. So we have je, tu, il, elle. We have our plurals, nous, vous, il, elle. So our endings are S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. So they are almost identical to the present tense ER verbs, and the video to that will be linked somewhere either in this video or in the description. The only difference is the singular form. So for the plural form, they are exactly the same, ONS, EZ, ENT. For the singular form, they are slightly different, but there's not too much to remember because je and tu are just S, and il or elle, you leave it as this. So you take off the RE and you have d, or you have another consonant that you leave. So let's see how to put it all together. We have je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. We need to add our stem. So for je, because it's a vowel, we take off the E and we add an apostrophe. And it becomes j'attends. And then we have tu attends, il attend, elle attend, and so on. And we do this for each of them. Then we need to add our endings, these ones here. So we have S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. So, as an example, j'attends pour ma sœur. I wait for my sister.